Tom. So here's how I'd like to accomplish this project. Okay. First, I'd like to create a web app script similar to what you're seeing on the screen now. All right. And then instead of you sharing the Google spreadsheet link to the user to request access, is we could just go ahead and share the link of this web app script. All right. Now, how does it work? First, let me show you the two spreadsheets that I have. First, I have this, okay, the setting sheet or the setting spreadsheet, wherein we'll set up, okay, which domain will be allowed to be given access into the spreadsheet, okay? But for now, I'll be using email address, all right, as a sample. Now, I have here a sample spreadsheet data, which I'd like to share, okay, to someone else that will meet the criteria based on what we have under the settings, all right? Now, let me go back to the sample spreadsheet. As you can see, it is locked, okay? So this is not shared to anyone. Again, it's just private to this user, to this email that I have. So let me just show you, just to make sure that it's not shared to anyone. All right, just kind of loading. All right, so as you can see, it's only private to this email that I have, okay? Now, let me just close this and go back to the settings. Again, right now, as you can see, we wouldn't have any email address right here, right? I'll go back to that web app script. Now, how can I request an access? I just have to type in the email address right here. And also I added validation in this web app script. Let's say I just type in any letters, okay, and just try to request an access. That shouldn't go through. As you can see, it says you have entered invalid email address. All right. Now let me try to access using my Gmail account. All right. Again, if you would go to the settings, my Gmail account is not yet added here. So if I try to request for an access, let's see what would happen. Okay, there you go. As you can see, we have an alert right here saying, sorry, we can grant you access to this file, right? Now let me try to add my Gmail over here. All right, now since it's already added, once I try to request for an access again, that should already go through. All right, so let me go ahead and request an access. All right, there you go. As you can see, we have this message over here that I've been granted access to the file, right? Now, if I go back to that sample spreadsheet, right, if earlier it was only, it wasn't shared to anyone, once I click here to share, as you can see, it's already shared to my Gmail account, all right? So that's how I'd like to accomplish this project. If you think there's something that will help you out to accomplish what you're looking for, please don't hesitate to let me know. All right. And I'll be more than happy to help you out.